to the world premiere of the Škoda Elroq, our first fully electric compact SUV. Inspired by everyday life, like the morning ritual of enjoying a cup of coffee, the Elroq fuels our drive to explore. Did you know it only takes about 15 to 30 minutes for caffeine to kick in, offering hours of sustained energy? What an efficient way to start the day. Likewise, charging the Elroq only takes around 25 minutes from 10 to 80% thanks to its highly efficient energy management system. This ensures minimal energy loss and an impressive range of over 560 kilometers. The Elroq incorporates essential and finest Škoda ingredients: space, comfort, a bold new design language, versatility, and exceptional value. The result? A balanced combination making it the perfect companion, full of energy for your everyday explorations.
Honey. Did you know that honey is so sticky that even bees get stuck in it? That led us to the question, how can we optimize the traction of the all-new Elroq? Well, of course, we didn't use real honey. Instead, we engineered the Elroq with a lower center of gravity, improving its stability on the road. This and other features, like its small turning radius, contribute to the car's perfect agility. The raised seating position, higher ground clearance, and adaptive chassis control all combine to deliver an outstanding driving experience in the Elroq. A compact SUV designed to navigate through life's sticky situations without getting stuck. Looking ahead, the Elroq will also be available with all-wheel drive, adding even more versatility.
Do you ever wonder why a full moon shines so brightly? It casts 30% more light than a crescent moon, not because it generates more light, but because it reflects more sunlight. Interestingly, moonlight is a bit of a misnomer. What you're actually seeing is sunlight, reflected off the moon's surface, coming to us without the harsh glare. This beautiful interplay of light and visibility inspired the design of our Matrix LED headlights. They not only enhance the visibility, but do so without dazzling oncoming drivers. This innovative lighting technology is a defining feature of the Elroq's Tech Deck phase, which debuts in our new modern solid design language.
Did you know that clouds can travel over 500 kilometers in a single day? And just like these clouds, our Elroq is built to cover long distances efficiently. On a single charge, the Elroq boasts an impressive range of over 560 kilometers and can accelerate from 0 to 100 in just 6.6 seconds. But for us, it's not just about how far you can go. It's about how well you travel. Observing the world around us, like these simple clouds, provides endless inspiration. It's our curiosity about the natural world that drives us to innovate and improve, pushing us to create vehicles that aren't just efficient, but are also a joy to drive. Let's explore how we have harnessed this inspiration to enhance the driving experience. Be more curious, be more Elroq.
Here it is, the all-new Škoda Elroq. Let's explore what makes this car stand out in our growing all-electric portfolio. We'll begin with its hallmark of efficiency. Electric powertrains are incredibly efficient at turning energy into mobility. And the Elroq takes full advantage of this. Battery preheating, energy management, and smart route planning to optimize its range. Efficiency is also reflected in the simply clever combination of its compact size and the spacious interior. The perfect companion for your daily explorations. The Elroq offers plenty of room for passengers, but also a large 470-liter boot, enough to easily fit in a stroller or 3 big suitcases. And we are efficiently increasing access to e-mobility by launching the Elroq as a compact SUV, the largest subsegment in Europe by volume. So more people can get into a battery electric vehicle if they choose. You can start ordering the Elroq in many European markets as early as tomorrow. With prices starting around €33,000, it's a fantastic value for such an impressive package. Has this sparked your curiosity? Let's dive deeper into the Elroq model range.
The Elroq will be available in a wide variety of battery and performance options. Starting with the Elroq 50, which has the smallest battery and offers a range of more than 370 kilometers, to the mid-size Elroq 60 with a range of over 400 kilometers. Our Elroq 85 features the longest range, exceeding 560 kilometers, and the Elroq 85X provides a robust four-wheel drive with a range of more than 550 kilometers. In addition to these options, we are excited to offer 2 special editions, the first edition and the Sport line. The charging times for the Elroq 50 and 60 are around 25 minutes, and the Elroq 85 and 85X can charge up to 175 kilowatts. Moreover, the Elroq is equipped with innovative features accessible through our My Škoda mobile app, including the remote parking assistant. The Elroq also supports remote locking and unlocking. Let's now take a closer look at the Elroq's impressive driving capabilities.
The Elroq's low center of gravity enhances its stability. With a perfect balance of lift on the front and the rear axles and a turning circle of just 9.3 meters, this compact SUV is super agile. Ideal for exploring both urban and suburban environments. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in the performance of electric vehicles, affecting both traction and range. We've optimized the Elroq's aerodynamics to achieve a drag coefficient of just 0.26, which is one of the best values in its segment. The Elroq's quick acceleration from 0 to 100 in 6.6 seconds enhances the driving experience and adds an element of fun. Supporting this performance, the vehicle offers a comprehensive range of assistance systems that guide the car safely on its way and protect all passengers and surrounding road users. What's more, the Elroq marks a significant milestone in Škoda design. We call it Modern Solid, setting new standards in aesthetics and functionality.
Now let's have a closer look to the design of the all-new Elroq from Škoda. This car is the first car in our lineup that contains our new modern solid design language with the keywords solid, function, authentic. These are very important for us. And where you see this the best is, of course, in the front. But it's very obvious that the front concept is different. There's no grille, no air intakes on the top part. Here is a new bonnet with the new Škoda lettering. It's written here in UDC, which is called Unique Dark Chrome. It's the new color for Škoda. Then the bonnet ends with this contour here that you see here, which is typically Škoda line, very important for us, makes a lot of brand character. And we have this element here, what we call is the tech deck face, which is really, really important. So this is connected with the day running light signature, makes the day running light signature very slim and very modern looking, also with the segmentation. And behind the tech deck face, we have radars, we have cameras, and all these things that we need there. On the lower part, we have the headlights, so they're separated, and this gives us a chance to make everything a bit slimmer, more modern looking. We have this functional approach part here with this new grille, and also on the bottom, we have a UDC part that is nicely finishing the car on the bottom. Going to the side, I have to mention one thing, and that is the overall proportion of the car. The car really looks great, looks compact, which is very nice. It's 4.5 meters long, and the all-ring situation, front and rear, with the wheelbase, wheel size, makes the car really gorgeous. Looking at the rear, We have the same concept also here. We have the segmentation here in the taillight, which looks great. We have air curtains here. We have this functional bumper on the bottom. And also in the lower part, we have the same mesh and also again, another UDC part that stops the car on the bottom. I have to say, for me, the car looks great from all the angles. Inside, we've emphasized sustainability by increasing the use of recycled materials. Notice the vibrant orange interior details that set a striking visual contrast. And the spacious cabin is designed for comfort and invites you to experience it firsthand. So what do you think, Klaus? Shall we go for a ride?
Absolutely, Oliver. Let's go. Okay, now here we go. I was fiddling with my mic, as you all saw. Ladies and gentlemen, Oliver Stefani, we're here. It's a wonderful car that you and your team have designed. So thank you very much, but also everybody joining us tonight, the whole audience on this side and on this side. Welcome to the world premiere of the all-new Škoda Elroq. Thank you. So this is a super special setting for us. We've never done this before. We're doing it in the public. We don't have anything to hide. We have a lot to show. And we have something to show with the Elroq, which is a new member of our Škoda portfolio, of our family. And we're really proud to share that moment with you of an addition to our battery electric portfolio. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for being here. I think the cars will now be revealed also on the boats. So the silk will be pulled off, the cloth will be pulled off the cars. Enjoy those cars on the ships. Enjoy the cars over there on the bridge. This car is here to be enjoyed from this side. Please don't walk across the water. There are bridges that you can use. And have a wonderful evening enjoying good discussions, good food. And of course a couple of drinks, and I will do exactly the same because this is the celebration of the all-new Elroq. So thank you very much.